Welcome back, traders, to today's installment on how to trade gold. Well, this was going to be, I was hoping to still be in a trade, but unfortunately I was taken out, so we're going to end up going back to TradingView to analyze our plan to get back into the market again. I closed that in profit. Okay, so as you can see in this area over here, we've made a little bit of profit, so we've grown it a bit, right? It was a lot more, but however, what took place was market came in. Well, the news came out, right? Market shot up, which was fantastic. Then it did a pullback, and this particular candle, well, not this particular, this candle over here is the one that took me out. Now, what is so strange about what I'm looking at over here, I don't know what's wrong with my with the MT5, but it's not actually showing the where I was taken out. So I've got to kind of do it like this. I've got to go to properties, and here you can kind of see what kind of took place, where this was my entry, so we had it, and then I was taken out over here. It should be showing here, right? But for whatever reason it's not. It's just showing me entries but not exits. So we can see that same thing over here, we can see it over here again, and we can see it over here again on the weekly. So that's what took place, right? So obviously you win some, you lose some. In this case we won, but it should have been a lot more. So now we're just going to get back to TradingView to plan how we're going to get back into the market. All right, okay, so we're back on TradingView. Let's just see what's going on. Let me just adjust all of this to see if this stuff here, if I can make it make sense. Does it make sense? It does make sense. Okay, so we're basically in an ascending channel right now. So let me just move this out of the way real quick. Let's just bring this over. Let's lock this in place. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so let's get rid of all of these for now. That condition was met. That condition was met. That was met too. Let's get rid of all of this stuff over here. Okay, let me just scroll down, see what going on. Let's get rid of that too. Okay, so as it stands right now, how everything is looking to me is that on the Monday we had the weekly low. So that's it right here. Okay, so we just put that in place. Weekly low. And then, because I believe this is going to go a lot higher, okay, I don't know exactly where the weekly high is going to be set. So what I'm going to do, depending on if all conditions are met, because I still want to be bullish in the market, but however, if market doesn't plan on being bullish, then I have no business trying to create a situation that isn't going to happen. So what I can see from what we got going on right now off the hourly time frame is that we have an FVG in this zone that price could come back into. So that could be an idea to re-enter the market again with a buy. Okay, but at the same time, because we're now heading to the end of the week, I kind of want to figure out if price is just going to head up to this particular on top of this structure over here of this ascending channel, right, and blast through, or if it's going to come down. Let's just have a look. Let's just look for other conditions, because I was really hoping to show some outstanding trading this week for you guys, and I was just taken out so early in the game due to CPI. That was just so annoying, but it happened. There's nothing I can do about that. So hopefully I should be able to find another opportunity this week, I hope, or I might have to wait till next week. We just see how it goes. Okay, so even if I get a close above this level over here, okay, it's still, I will still want to take a buy, but it's a risky one. It's an incredibly risky move to taking buys from up here, right? So I don't really want to do that, but at the same time, I'm just thinking, what else could I do? What else could I do in this situation? All right, let's go to a higher time frame. So we're just going to go to the 4 hour, see what we can see. Okay, there's still, okay, all right. We got a little situation here that we could possibly work with. Okay, so this is the reasoning that I'm going to go with. This is the logic that I'm going to go with. Like, once again, I may be right, I could be wrong. See how it goes, right? is I want to see if I can get a closure above this level over here. So let me just put a little label on it. I want to see if I can get a closure above 2698.41. If I can get a close above that level, I'm fairly confident that we may continue to get a push to the upside, at which point I'll be targeting this resistance zone right here. So this is the resistance zone that I'll be targeting, and that is 27.16. Okay, providing we get this condition met, and then I will ride it to the upside. When I look at this candle on the 4-hour, the all-encompassing push to the upside or bullish candle to the upside is quite strong, so I will assume that price aims to continue in that direction. However, we may get some type of pullback. Okay, we do have an FEG sitting in this zone right here, which is on an hour. So if I go back to that, we can see FEG sitting in an hour. Now price could tap into this and move away. If that is the case, then I might want to chance it, okay, and put in a buy to ride it to the upside. But at the same time, it's still incredibly risky. I would rather take that move up here, okay, because that would then tell me two things. First things first, it would have taken out this mini resistance level that we got right here, okay, so that would have been taken out. And then once that is taken out, I can expect it to push up some more. It doesn't always mean it will, but I can expect it to do that. And if it does, fantastic, I'll ride it to the upside. And that's my thinking right now. That's my thinking. I might actually not do anything. I might literally just say, you know what, I think what I'll do is we just keep this to a basic analysis video that we normally do, and then I'll wait to see if I can find another opportunity, and then we'll have part 3 of the live trading. Because at this point, because I only want to stick exclusively with gold, I don't want to just put in a feel-good trade and it doesn't work out. Do you know what I mean? I kind of want to try and get something that actually has a high probability of working, because even if what I'm saying now, it looks like it's going to go up there, but if he hasn't created a higher high, then it's just not going to make sense. And even when it does create a higher high, I will be insane to jump in with a buy at that level when knowing full well that there's a high probability that it's going to pull back. So I should try to catch it at a discount. So my thinking right now is this: I want to get back in the game at some point this week. I don't know if it's going to be possible, and because I'm looking for certain conditions, I really don't know if I'll be able to pull it off this week. So we'll see how that goes. But this is the analysis for today, right? This is what I'm thinking. If these conditions are met, we get a close above here, I'll be looking for buys. And at the same time, if we get a close the daily low of today, then I would be looking for sales. Now I'm not expecting a close below the daily low today. I'm expecting price to push up. The question is, how high is that going to go? Now if you found the information that I'm sharing with you today useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you turn on the notification, and you drop us a like. And I will see all you awesome people in the next one.